Hi, welcome to Jum-Dam Academy. In this video, I will be teaching you fractions. Fractions are a way to represent a part of a whole in which there is a numerator and a denominator. This is an example of a fraction, and this is a numerator while this is the denominator. So in this fraction, 3 is our numerator and 5 is our denominator. The numerator is the top number in a fraction and it tells how many equal parts are being considered in a whole. So as I said earlier, in this fraction, 3 is our numerator while the denominator is the bottom number and it tells how many equal parts the whole is divided into. So for example, we have this square and it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. These 5 parts that this square is being divided into is the denominator, while 3 out of the 5 parts which we are considering is the numerator. So there are 3 basic types of fractions which we are going to see in this video. We have the proper fraction, which is a fraction where the numerator, which is the top number, is smaller than the denominator. For example, as we can see in this fraction, 3 is a smaller number in comparison to 5. So 3 is smaller than 5, which makes this a proper fraction. Any fraction where the numerator is a smaller number than the denominator, it is a proper fraction. The second type of fraction is the improper fraction, where the numerator is larger or bigger than the denominator. This is an example of an improper fraction. As we can see, 3 is bigger or larger than 2, and 3 is the numerator while 2 is the denominator. The third type of fraction is the mixed fraction, where there is a whole number along with a proper fraction. 4 here is our whole number in this mixed fraction, while 1 over 2 is our proper fraction, where 1 is the numerator in this proper fraction and 2 is the denominator in this proper fraction. A mixed fraction can be converted into an improper fraction and vice versa. So this fraction over here, where there is a whole number and the proper fraction attached to each other, can be converted into a fraction that looks somewhat like the previous fraction I showed you. And the previous fraction can also be converted into something that looks like this. I believe you understood everything we did in this video. Like, subscribe and follow for more videos. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video.